Recently, I was asked for an article to define our client approach, and really, how does that differentiate you? What are the key characteristics of it? So, really, I wanted to walk up to a whiteboard, and I wanted to, start with my circle in the middle of the board, which is the client, and the client's in the middle. And in many ways, you can also look at our organizational chart the same way. Everything starts with the client in the middle of the process. And then the structure that we have developed, that next outer ring of the circle that we have developed for that client, is all the structure that falls around it. The design team, the project management team, the logistics team, any third-party partners that we may plug into the system are all based on what that specific client's project need is. And then you can see how it flows, right? I mean, we actually all engage together prior to the engagement. We look at it, maybe if called a bid opportunity or an opportunity that shows up to us. We don't often bid on projects. But any project that we are going after, we first make sure we are 100% fit with that group, that everybody is in alignment. Everyone says we can design it, we can execute on it, and we can fulfill it based on the exact client needs and the project needs. Then we will go into that bid and into that engagement with that knowledge and with that execution plan. And often, clients, so number one, it tells us that we are able to execute on the project the way it needs to be. Two, it tells the clients that we are fully engaged on your project. We know how it's going to work. We know the team we're assigning internally in order to do that. And then we're going to execute it. And obviously, number three is it gives us a running start. So should we be fortunate enough to win that project, we are already weeks and weeks ahead on that execution plan, because we have already gone through every single element of the project, from design, from engineering, from how we're going to shop it, from the schedule, from the logistics, the delivery. So really at that moment, if the client's bringing on third parties to construct the project, or maybe they have additional consultants on the project, we're able to immediately engage in with them with a complete knowledge of the project and how the client would like to execute on it. And that's what makes the success work. That's what we're striving to do. That's how clients select us, and we in fact select them, because we make sure we only will contract in projects that we can do that.